Going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing the rear diffuser on the car. Currently I am in search of a tool, but I will go ahead and show you guys the diffuser. It is right here. We did go ahead with a carbon fiber look all the way, as you can see. And I did start the process here just a little bit on the car underneath, but yeah, I'll give you guys a walkthrough of if it's easy or not. Right now we're taking out all the bolts to the stock diffuser, which isn't really a diffuser. And basically after you pull these, what I've seen, the bumper should just pull right off. It hasn't worked, Pile. Sorry guys, should have brought some tools from work, but I didn't. I forgot them all. So yeah, that's unfortunate at the moment. The biggest thing is trying to get these clips out again. Boom. By the way, guys, I know it looks easy, but those clips are a pain in the rear. I will tell you that now, if you're doing this yourself. So, in theory, we just give this a little tug, and once one side starts to come off, the other side, it should all just pull off pretty easy, so. And boom, just like that, the stock diffuser is out, and we are ready to install. First thing we are going to do though, we are going to go ahead and match up holes, make sure everything does seem about in the right spots, so that when we do go ahead and push it all back in, of course, in the clips, that you can see. But if you guys would like to see a back angle of the car, why it has a diffuser off, this is what a Dodge Charger RT looks like without a diffuser on it. So yeah, guys, here is the diffuser in the daylight, of course. If you guys want to see it in the sun, I'll take it right here for you. Obviously it is the carbon fiber diffuser. We are going to go ahead and slap that bad boy on. It does have the clips. Be very careful though, guys. These clips are very fragile. As you see, that is very bendy. Okay, so be very careful when putting this on. I want to make sure I line it up perfect, so. It didn't say it would be easy, guys, I will tell you that. So before anything looking, see how it clips in?
Yeah.
That's how Just pick up your side. I'm gonna try and start from the legit like side. Hold on. Push your side in.
It's just like these two clips.
I'm just trying to figure it out now. See, I got that one to pop in.
Yeah. Mine over here are popped in. It's that one, but I'm not hitting the car.
Boom. That is in. Alright guys, as you see, the diffuser is on. It did give me a few problems. One of the 3 clips right here in the center did go ahead and get that popped in though. It did just bend, take the bumper. I just kind of pulled it up this way toward up so that it could allow this to pop in. Diffuser is in. It's all good, as you see. The only problem is that they did not drill the hole for this clip to go in this side here into the fender. So at work tomorrow, of course, I will go ahead and get that knocked down and done. Other than that, diffuser's on. Simple install. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for the next one.